Hey guys, Rad Performance. I just wanted to show you we're upgrading the light sockets on this old Buick Skylar. So we put all new sockets in. These are for 1157. 1157 is the dual filament. So right now I have the parking lights on, but as you can see, number one thing you want to do is check the wiring, which I'll go over. But if you notice, if you can in there, this is dim, these are parking, and this is a little brighter. So this right here, you know there's something wrong because they look different. You either check the wiring, you may have it wrong on the parking brake side or on the brake light switch, because the brake light will be dual filament and the parking light is single filament like on here. But another simple thing would be if the bulb is in backwards, that you just take the bulb and when I spin it, it'll be dim again. And if you can see it, see how it goes dim? So that's right. And all that is the bulb could be in backwards. So if you ever have that where you have a brighter light, a dimmer light, and all the wiring's factory and you don't know why it's like that, like the old cars, people never take their time to really look at it. So you see there's a dual filament, there's two posts, because there's two light filaments in there. If it's backwards, it'll shine the shiny one. Just with riding around in parking lights, and the big indicator would be when you go hit the brakes, they don't get brighter because they're already on that second stage. So it could be as simple as the bulb is wrong, or like us, if you're putting in brand new sockets, just check your wiring and make sure. But normally if you follow the color code, most of these come black obviously is ground, brown, and then yellow, and then the brown goes with brown. And on the GMs, you have green or you have yellow from the factory. So green and yellow go, and then yellow and yellow. So it's just because of the left and right why they did green. So with the blinkers, and that's it. Just a quick fix with the dual filament 1157.
We all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe we can do it?